Good morning, students. Welcome back for online classes. Today, once again, we'll begin the chapter. The chapter was direct indirect speech. So first, I will name the topic direct and indirect speech. Okay, direct and indirect speech. The name of the chapter. And now I was teaching you that how to change connector, clear, and what we use in the place of set to, clear. This rule I was teaching you. So yesterday I just taught you, last video I just taught you in the videos that it was rule of assertive sentence, means declarative sentence, and interrogative sentence. Today I will begin the rule of changing imperative sentence. So first, imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence means if the sentence it is used for the command. Command means either order, request or advice. Here, imperative sentence means order, request or advice. That is known as a command. In such cases, what we find usually the subject is hidden. Clear? Subject is hidden. If such a sentence comes, clear? So what is the rule? What is the rule? So in this case, okay, in the place of set to, here, set to change into same thing. If it is given requested, then write requested. Clear? If sense come ordered, then you write ordered. Clear? If sense come advised, then you write advised. Clear? So whatever meaning came means that should be a lot of a lot of meaning or senses can come. You can also use asked, you can also use told, inquired, begged. So many senses can come. So according to the statement, you will understand what the senses can. Clear? So in such cases, set to change into requested, order, advice, begged, told, okay, inquired, whatever. And next thing, in the after the connector what we use? Connector, only while removing inverted comma we use to. Yes, set to, after set to change into requested form and then removing inverted comma we use connector to. It means no that, here no if, no whether, no wh. What the connector come? To. Clear? And because imperative sentence subject is hidden, so you will find what? Directly verb. So after to whatever sentence comes, we just write the same way by changing the person. Only person will change, nothing else. No tense change. Okay? No tense is changed. No any other connector comes. What comes? To, and you have to change the person if person is mentioned. So by the example you may understand here. Okay? So first let me write down one example. He said to Pankaj. He said to Pankaj, comma, inverted comma, sit down. Sit down. Clear, students? He said to Pankaj, sit down. So see, here it is an imperative sentence. Subject is hidden. So now we can change it. Clear? So he, if it is given, there whatever senses can come. You can write told, you can write requested, you can write ordered, you can write advised. So usually requested we use whenever please or kindly word start. So there is no please and kindly. So you may use also advised also. He advised. So whatever sentence here, if you write told, okay, then it is also correct. Don't worry about that particular word is important. Here you may write anything according your own understanding of the senses. Here he advised Pankaj. Advised Pankaj. So set to change into advice or order, whatever, up to here. Right? Now what is necessary? We have to change the inverted comma. So what we write? To. He advised Pankaj to now same. Sit down. Over now. Here he advised Pankaj to sit down. Clear? Understood now? One more example I am writing. So by changing the person. He said to me, please help me. He said to me, comma, inverted comma, please help me. See, he said to me, please help me. Now, please word has come, so it is easy. Set to change to requested. He requested me. He requested me. Please word, it's a request form. And now connector, what we write? To. He requested me to. Now help, same. Me, word has me. Me is mean this is the person. So this is the me comes in the first person, na? And first person change according subject. So subject is he. It's mean we write third. Subject is he is the third person. So we have to write objective form of, because it is object, na? So we have to write objective form of he. Its mean what will come? Him. He requested me to help him. Understand, na? So this is the way of solving the imperative sentences. Clear? Now let it come the next part. So next part, imperative sentence sometimes start with the do not. Then what we write? Clear? Imperative sentence will start with the do not. He said to me, do not open the door. Clear? Or don't open the door. So if negative part comes, then how we change? Negative part, negative, nothing. Connector, same. Senses will be same. Here connector, we write here not to. To already I told, but if it is negative, then we write not to. So what we answers here? You write he ordered, you may also. He ordered me, okay, not to, because do not is there. So not to open the door. Open the door. Clear? This part comes for the negative. Sometimes sentence begin with the let. Reporting speech start with the let. For the when the let word start, so how we change it? For especially in the case of let, okay. Even it is also known as imperative part, but we do not use connector to. If the sentence begin with the let, so what we use? Case of, okay, heading first I should write here. Sentence. sentence begins with let. Clear? In such case, what we do? In such cases, if we start with the let, then we use the word suggested or proposed, okay, and connector we write that, and then we use should. So what we use here in the case of let, then set to change into, clear, set to change into what? Suggested. In the case of suggested, suggested. Here set to change into suggested or proposed. Clear? And connector we use that. Connector we use that, and after subject there is use of should also. In the place of verb we write should. Clear? By the example you may understand better. So let me write one example. Mohan said to his friends. Mohan said to his friends. Mohan said to his friends. Let us go for walk. Mohan said to his friends, let us go for walk. Clear? Now see. So here said to what is a come? So answer Mohan said to change to suggested. Mohan suggested. Clear? To is there, then you will write to. Mohan suggested to his friends. His friends. Now we have to remove inverted comma. So for removing inverted comma, what we write? Connector we use that. So write here that. Mohan suggested to his friends that. Clear? Let us go for walk. So us, this is the plural form of the first person. First person is recording subject. Subject is the Mohan. Mohan come in third person. So third person plural form. What we write? They. That they. Clear? They. So first we write subject. After subject what we write? Verb. So verb, helping verb first, should. Let. Okay, they should. Then verb, go. They should go for walk. Here na? Mohan suggested to his friends that they should go for walk. Clear, students? So in the case of let, we use what we write? We use suggested. Here if to is given, then we write to, and connected we use that, and we also use should. This is the rule of the changing of suggestion. Clear, students? So up to here today imperative sentence I taught you, and next time again the next rule I will also tell you. So up to here today I want to end here. Some more example only I can tell you for your understanding. Here only some of the example I will tell you, that for the use of like if I say he said, okay, so he said to his friends, let us go for cinema. Clear? Even theaters are closed, but suppose that it is said, let us go for cinema. So what we write? Again, so he suggested his friends, he suggested his friend that they should go for cinema. Clear? The children said, let us play together. The children said, let us play together. So the children suggested that they should play together. Clear, students? So for in the case of use, let be write the same. So now just I am going to wind up the class for today session, and next time whatever another kinds of the sentence that I will tell you. Fine? Okay, students. So just I am going to wind up the class. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.